Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Yes? So, children, here we will see singular and plural. So, dear children, this is your English class and I am your English teacher. Today we will see one and many. What we will see? One and many. You must be knowing one, which is one, and many means more than one. Yes? So, these are nouns. Any noun, any name of a place, person, animal, or thing. I hope you must be knowing about noun. Nouns are name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Now we will do the singular and plural activity. What are singular nouns and what are plural nouns? So here it is written singular noun means which is one, and plural noun means which are more than one. Yes, singular noun means one noun, plural noun means more than one, many. Now here we can see nouns, numbers. Most singular nouns form the plurals by adding s. Most of the nouns are plural by forming s, by adding s in it. So you can see in the picture crayon, crayons. Here is a cup and cups. Yes. Then tree, trees. One tree, many trees. Bag, bags. A bee, bees. Flower, flowers. Balloon, balloons. Bug, bugs. Bucket, buckets. Pen, pens. Many pens are there. Book, books. Tap, taps. Owl, owls. Pencil, pencils. Table, tables. Chair, chairs. House, houses. Now, these are the nouns which we have add only s. Now, there are some another nouns which are ending with c, which are ending with s, x, z, ch, sh. Now, there are the nouns which are adding with s, ending, which are ending with s. मतलब जो nouns इन लेटर्स से ख़त्म होते हैं, which letters? S, X, Z, CH, SH. जो भी वर्ड्स, जो भी नाउन्स इन लेटर्स पे ख़त्म होते हैं, उन सभी नाउन्स के पीछे हम क्या ऐड करते हैं? वी ऐड ES. What we add? ES to make it in a plural form. उसे सिंगुलर से प्लूरल करने के लिए हम उसमें ES ऐड करते हैं. What we add? ES. Now here we will see. What all these words are. Now it is fox. See, fox is ending with X. So we have added foxes. Now it is again box. Box is ending with X. So we have added ES over here in plural form. Singular box, plural boxes. Then glass, one glass, glasses, double S, glasses. Here we are adding ES. Now dress, dresses. Yes, here we are adding ES. Bus, buses. Chair, bench, benches. Then peach, peaches. See, CH came there. Then reddish, SH came there, radishes. One reddish, reddish, more than one radishes. Dish, dishes. Then bush, bushes. Then you can see if the singular noun ends in O. Ends in O. This is very important, children. Add ES to make it plural. If any noun ends in O, then you have to put ES to make it plural. Now we will see. Potato, potatoes. See children, the spelling of potato is potato and we have added ES over there, so that spelling becomes POTATOES, potatoes. One potato is potato and then the potato word ends with O, so we are adding potatoes. ES over there, so it becomes potatoes. Then after that, again one vegetable, tomato. Tomato ends with O, so we are adding here ES, so it becomes tomatoes. Yes, it becomes tomatoes. Now there is one mango and there are 3 mangoes. So what in single form mango, it ends with O, and in plural form mangoes, GOES. ES we will put over there. Then exceptions, some nouns ending with O are made plural by adding only S. Now children, there are some words which end with O and we have to make them plural by adding not with ES. Not with ES, only S. We will put only S. Now we will see which nouns are these. Now see. Photo. Now this is a photo, one photo, more than one photo, photos. Here we are not using ES, we are using only S. Here we have used only S. Yes, now we can see next. Now see here, it is piano. It is piano. One piano is piano, more than one pianos. More than one pianos. We have not used here ES. Yes, we have used only S. Now, some nouns are irregular. Some nouns are irregular. Foot, feet. Foot, feet. Child, children. Child, children. Woman, women. Tooth, one tooth, teeth. Yes. Mouse, mice. More than one mouse, mice. Man, men. Goose, geese. Now dear children, these nouns singular and plural are very important. Yes, so many students are confused in these nouns. So you have to remember these nouns singular and plural always. 1 foot means AD, एक पैर को कहते हैं foot, and 2 feet. So we have 2 feet. We have 2 feet. Then child. 1 child is child, and more than one, they are not childs, they are children. They are children. So what we say to more than one child? We say it children. This is also very important. Woman. A single woman is known as woman, and more than one, plural form of woman is women. WOMEN. See the spellings. One woman, WOMAN, and more than one, WOMEN. Now children, there is again one noun. It is tooth. One tooth, एक दांत को कहते हैं tooth. More than one, in plural form we say it teeth. See the spelling? Teeth. 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 Then children, see, singular noun of mouse is mouse, and the plural form of mouse is mice. So many mouse we can say mice. एक से ज़्यादा चूहों को कहते हैं mice. Okay. Then one man, singular. The plural form of man is men. The plural form of man is men. Spellings, you have to see the spellings. Women and women, man and men. So here singular and plural, these are special. These are special words. So you have to remember these always. Now children, this is a goose. This is a picture of a goose. One goose, it is known as goose. Single goose को कहते हैं goose. More than one goose, they are plural geese. More than one goose, it is geese. So one goose is goose. More than one goose, geese. So singular goose, plural is geese. So children, that's all for today. I hope you all have understood what are singular and plural. We have seen 3 types of singular and plural. Yes, we have seen 3 types of singular and plural. First are by adding s. By adding s. Most singular nouns are formed the plural by adding s. First one is of adding s. Those singular nouns ending with s, x, z, ch, sh. Those nouns which are ending with s, x, z, ch, sh, there we add es. We make them plural by adding es in the spelling. Then after that, some nouns which ends on o, जो o पे ख़त्म होते हैं, for these plural, for these singular nouns, we are adding es to them also to make them plural. Yes? So children, what we have seen today? We have seen 3 types of singular and plural. One is by adding s, then es, and then only o, some photos and photos like this, and one is special. Some are special, like women, women, man, men, mice, mouse, mice. So that's all for today, dear children. I hope you all have understood the thing which I have explained today, and see you in next class. So till then, take care. Harpreet ma'am says you goodbye.